SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, or so they certainly thought. SLP explicitly faces obstruction at $0.003, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the bears in every practical sense has been laid out at $0.003. In October 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through bit and large smooth love elixir cost examination for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is essentially transient cost expectation for truly smooth love mixture, truly is SLP and especially wise speculation, or so they especially thought. Smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so forth, really in spite of mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized investigation, by and large let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,082,486,145,595, which by and large is genuinely huge. The truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $28,442,159,686, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in a very enormous manner. Which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how market investigation over the last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,082,486,145,595, which generally is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time span, or so they sort of thought. XRP, the very local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere around 0.13 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which generally is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very critical. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a truly descending heading for commonly present moment, which certainly is genuinely critical. As of now, a fundamentally broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially shows what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16%, or so they truly thought. Smooth love elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Showing that truly smooth love mixture backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is genuinely critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more kind of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is very critical. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers essentially become certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher fundamentally further appearance, how SLP essentially faces opposition at $0.003 in an essentially enormous manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, extremely smooth love elixir execution. The day-to-day diagram of commonly smooth love mixture generally shows that the SLP cost for the most part has a by and large descending development with a 1.18% lessening in truly beyond 24 hours, showing how SLP in a real sense faces opposition at $0.003. Or so they especially thought. The value worth of the by and large smooth love mixture (SLP) coin sort of is remaining at $0.003 with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in an especially significant manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 01 October 2023, inside a very everyday time period, certainly made sense of beneath, which generally is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the essentially smooth love mixture. Showing how extremely smooth love elixir value examination SLP cost investigation for 01 October 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time period, for the most part made sense of underneath, or so they in a real sense thought. The for the most part relative strength file, RSI, shows that the SLP coin really is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is at 34, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,082,486,145,595 in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, which by and that's what large shows smooth love mixture for the most part, is by and by esteemed at $0.003 backing for the truly bears truly has been laid out at $0.003 in October 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through especially smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what is transient cost expectation for especially smooth love mixture, in a real sense, is SLP a kind of wise speculation? Or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day graph. So the really relative strength record, RSI, shows that the SLP coin by and large is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 34, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84